Welcome to my channel, A Gallery. Today in this video, I have shared the tech to repair the almostly Samsung and Android USB-C or micro USB connectors. Don't forget to protect the microphones while proceeding the repair. Remove the old dead connector, clean the pads using low-temp solder paste. Wick it off and make a clean platform for the new one. This is uncut raw video. I haven't deleted any scenes, so I can show you all what I faced the hurdle and challenges while repairing. Please do subscribe the channel. This will motivate me to create more and more videos in future. Align the new connector, and with the flux use iron to solder back the connector. I haven't used the hot air station to solder back the connector to protect the sub-board from overheat. I got the poor iron tip, so I had faced little hard time to work around. I used very low heat and very low air pressure to support the iron tip. I used one-by-one tech slow work to share the knowledge with you all. There's many ways to use iron. You can use as you like. you have any question, then please comment so I can answer them all. And if I did any mistake, then help me to correct them. See you all in the next video. Thank you for being with me till the end. Thanks for the subscribe.